Hi folks, my name is Rick. My call is Papa Yankee 2 Echo Lima, and I'm located in São Paulo, southeastern Brazil. And today I'm gonna show you how to tune the Collins KWM2A. I'm gonna do this because I have received several emails from amateur radio operators from all over the world asking me how to tune it, because I have posted on the YouTube many videos about the Collins KWM2A. Okay, first of all, when you turn the radio on, you must wait for 5 to 10 to 15 minutes, something like this, because you need the tubes get warm, get hot before starting tuning the radio. Okay, so I have done this already. So the radio is on for about 10 minutes, and now I can start tuning the radio. Okay, a little bit closer now. We have some buttons here. The first one is the mic again. So here we can control the power output. As you can see, here is off, so we can adjust on this position later on. We have the button for band selection. So just make sure you have connected on the back of the transceiver the antenna, and then you can select what band you want for. The next button is the next knob is the exciter tuning. So this is very important, especially for reception. And the last one will be the PA tuning, power amplify tuning. So we're gonna tune here the transmission. Okay, I have selected already 14 megahertz 20 meters band, because I have the antenna for 20. And what I have to do is, I know on 14 I can pick USB or CW. And also emission button will give to us they will give to us how to tune it. Okay, so we must use this button when you're gonna tune the radio. Okay, selected the band. Now what I have to do is try to get the best reception, so the highest noise we have on the band. I have QRN now, so I just need to make sure that I have the highest noise on the band. It's right here. And I also set this knob on the 14 megahertz position, because I am on 14 megahertz. Now what I have to do is the mic again knob. I turn this up, and we'll be at maybe some 9 position number 9, like a clock. So this is 12, 11, 10, 9. So we set on 9, 14 megahertz, the highest noise on the band. And we're gonna put the PA tuning knob on the 14 megahertz position, and we're gonna use the emission knob now to tune it up. So you see the plate here. The plate, we must have the highest the highest plate here, and also I have here the vattimeter, the 202 kilowatts vattimeter, and the position forward. I will hold on 200, and then I'm gonna check the maximum power output that I have, that I can get when I tune for the very first time. It's pretty simple. So let's do it, because there is another button which is very important when we selected this, the grid. The grid is very important because we can save the tube when we pay attention on this, on the grid. Okay, maximum will be 250 milliamperes, between 200 and 300. So of course, when we have, I'm sorry, not that, the grid must be to 0, the plate must be between 200 and 300, and the grid must be the lowest level, next to 0, if you get that. Okay, let's start it. So button is here, emission I'm gonna put in the position lock. So what I have here is adjusted the exciting tuning to get the highest power output there. So we have is 60 watts, and also I adjust the PA tuning button so to get the highest power output. Okay, there we go. 10 seconds is more than enough, and we're gonna check now. We have already got the highest power output on the first tuning, and we must now check the plate and grid. So lock the button, lock back again, and we check the plate between 200 and 300. What about the grid? 0. Okay, very good. Low, very low grid current on this first tuning. So if I touch the PA tuning, you can see the grid going up. So it's this is damage the tube. So you must be on 0, and the plate must be between 200 and 300. So we set the position, the emission button back again on LSB or USB, whatever you want, and we're gonna increase the power output right now. So let's go back to this button here. We must increase the microphone gain to have the best, the highest power output. We can do this like this. Lock back again. We see the power output. I'm gonna increase this button here. I'm gonna put on the position 10, so we get 100. I'm gonna tune again for the best, for the highest power output, and we're gonna check the plate and the grid. So grid is too high. You see that? Grid is too high. So it's gonna be a problem, because we must have the grid very low. So back again, it's low, and we got 80 watts. Okay, let's keep it doing this. We increase a little bit more the mic gain, emission lock, and let's see if you have more, if you get more power. The problem is still the gray. Okay. Okay, let's check grid. The grid's too high. Okay, exciting tuning here. Grids level 0. Okay, so what we have here on the wattimeter is 80 watts. So the radio is tuned just to make sure the plate is between 200 and 300, exactly 250 milliamperes, and the grade will be 0, so no current on this radio. So ALC is very good, so it must be like this as well. So you're gonna use the microphone when you talk. You're gonna see the ALC arrow moving like this. Okay, so the radio is tuned, so you can go into the air, no problem. And the radio is giving to us 80 watts on 20 meters band. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this. And this is Papa Yankee 2 Echo Lima. My name here is Rick back once again. 73.